This is a Fendt Favoured 512C turbo shift, which is a collector's item for a start. Fendt would probably be the best you could buy in a tractor like back then, because it had front and cab suspension in its era, which no other tractor had. It was not unheard of when that tractor was made. That tractor was 1996, and there was nothing else like that, you see. It got front and cab suspension, done 50k in the road. It had front linkage as a standard, which the tractors very rare had that time, and it got loader brackets, so you had all them options coming out of the factory. You had a 6-speed, 4-speed power shift, which was kind of unique to the tractor back then. Most of them only had 4 shifts, and then that day's got the turbo clutch as well, so you didn't have to change gear going up a hill as much. Yeah, you do your tractor runs and stuff, but well, you couldn't work it, there's no problem, well capable of doing any job, you'd put it to within reason. Holds its value big time, because they're just not about, they're just not available, because people couldn't really afford that tractor at the time, So if you happen to see one of these or could buy one of these, it'd be definitely worth doing, or buy a ticket for under 20 quid. This tractor has a fantastic paint job done there, it's flawless. You put nice wee touches here on a red here, paint the red in the front axle, looks fierce well. It just adds to it, There's a new set of Vertestein tyres on it, 540s and 650s. There's lovely chrome exhaust in it. Right, the cab was real well laid out. You had your air conditioning up here, you had your heater down here, you could open the front window, it was a nice touch. And there's your 6-speed gear stick sitting right at your hand. Forward and back left hand shuttle, nice touch passenger seat. Still got windows, you can open that fresh air in. You had your baler bar here for putting stuff on. Let's take it for a wee drive and see how we get on with it. Looking forward to getting a wee rip on this thing now. Ooh, it can go. Such a lovely gear stick on a tractor, boy. Fantastic. I'll get a rip later on this here up the road to see what you can do. For less than 20 quid, it's a no-brainer. Get the ticket bought.